CPAP therapy. Continuous positive airway pressure. Sleep deeper. Wake stronger. Breathe better. Tired of snoring, choking at night, or waking up exhausted? Sleep apnea disrupts rest. CPAP restores it. Gentle air pressure keeps your airway open through the night. Better oxygen. Fewer awakenings. More energy every morning. Comfort fit masks. Silent machines. Expert guidance. From restless nights to refreshing sleep, feel the change. Because quality sleep is quality life. Start your journey to better sleep. Talk to our experts today.